Hi, hello friends. Welcome to TP EduTech. Okay, now today's topic is finding square roots. Yesterday class we know what we told, finding square roots up to 1000. Now we are going to learn how to find square roots. Okay friends, first of all, before learning this, you must know that 1 to 10 squares. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. Like that. Okay friends, finding square roots means first of all we have to take last two digits of the given number. Here last digit, in these two digits last digit is 1. Ending with 1, how many square numbers are there? 1 and 9. 1 square is 1, 9 square is 81. So what are the square numbers that ends with 1, 1 or 9? And remaining digits, let us see here, remaining digits are 37. 37 is the nearest square of 6. So first digit must and should 6. Okay, now we have to check whether 61 or 69. So how we check means in between that 65 square is there. So ending with 5 squares we know very well. Ending with 5 means last two digits are 25. 6 consecutive is 7. 6 sevens are 42. So 4225 here we get. But here we have 3721. So when compared to this is less. So square number is less than 65, means 61 square. So 61 square is 3721. Let us check whether 61 square is equal to 3721 or not. A square means 6 square is 36, B square means 1 square is 0, 1, 2AB means 2 into 6 into 1, 2 6 are 12. Leave last digit and add 12. 1, 2, 7, 3. 3721. So isn't it? Here also we have the same number. So 61 is the square root value of that 3721. Square root of 3721 is equal to 61. If this number is more than this, we have to take more than 65 number. Here we have less number. When compared to this number, this is less. So we have to take less than 65. Less than 65 is 61. Let us see here also in this problem 2704. Last two digits are 0, 4. Ending with 4. What are the square numbers that ends with 4? 8. 2 square is 4. 8 square is 64. So the last two digits must be 2 or 8. 27 remaining digits. 27 is the nearest square number of, always we have to take less number when compared to more. So 5, 52 or 58. Now we check for 55 square. Now we have to check for 55 square. Ending with 5 or beginning with 5. So ending with 5 means last two digits are 25. 5 consecutive is 6. 5 6 are 30. Here we get 3025. But here we have 2704. Here we get more number when compared to this. So the square number must be less than 55. Means 52. So now let us take these two digits. Ending with 4 means here also ending with 4. So last digits must be 2 or 8. 2 square is 4, 8 square is 64. So last digits must be 2 or 8. 60 is the nearest square number of 7. Why? Because 8 square is 64, but here 64 is not there. Hence we have to take less number always. So 72 or 78. In between that what we have? 75 square. Check for this. 5 ending with 5 means 25. 8 consecutive is 7 consecutive is 8. 7 8s are 56. Here we get 5625. But in square root we have 6084. So when compared to this is more. Hence we have to take more than 75. It is 78. Now let us check for 78 square. A square is 7 square is 49. B square is 8 square is 64. 2AB means 2 into 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. 56 2s are 112. Leave last 2 digits, last 1 digit and add 4, 8, 10, 6. 6084. Here also we have 6084. Now take last 2 digits of the given number ends with 1. What are the square numbers that ends with 1? 1 are 9. Remaining 2 digits are 65. What is the nearest square number which is nearer to 65? 64. 8. 8 square is 64. What is middle number? 85 square. 85 square is ending with 5. 25. 8 consecutive is 9. 8 9s are 72. So here we have 7225, but in square root we have 6561. When compared to this number, this is less. Hence we have to take less than 85. Less than 85 means 81. This is greater than 85. This is less than 85. So less than 85 we have to take means 81 square is 6561. Take last 2 digits of the given number ending with 6. Which square number ends with 6? See there, 4 square is 16. Next, 6 square is 36. So last digit must be 4 or 6. 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36. Now 57 is the nearest square number of 57 is in between 7 square and 8 square. Hence always we have to take less number. So 7, 74 or 76. What is middle number? 75 square. We have to check for 75 square. So ending with 5 means last 2 digits are 25. 7 consecutive is 8. 7 8s are 56. When compared to this number, this is more. Why? Because here we have 5625. Here we have 5776. So when compared to this is more. Hence we have to take more than 75. More than 75 in these two numbers is 76, not 74. Now let us see here. Take last 2 digits ending with 4. What are the 2 square numbers ending with 4? Here see, 2 square is 4. 8 square is 64. Ending with 4 square numbers are 2 or 8. 10 is the nearest square number of. See there, 3 square is 9. So first digit must be 3 or 32 or 38. We have to check 35 square. Ending with 5 means 25. 3 consecutive is 4. 3 4s are 12. 1225. But here we have 1024. Now when compared to this number, this is lesser. Hence we have to take less than 35 means 32. Take last 2 digits of the given number. So in the 2 digits, last digit is again 4. Ending with 4 are 2 or 8. Ending with 4 means which number ends with 4? Which square number ends with 4? 2 square is 4. 8 square is 64. Hence last digits must be 2 or 8. 23 is the nearest square number of. So 23 means 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. So 5 square 25. Hence we don't take 25. Always take less number. So 42 or 48. Now we check for 45. 45 square is equal to 5. Ending with 5 means last 2 digits must be 25. 4 consecutive is 5. 4 5s are 20. When compared to this number, this is less. 2025 here we get. In square root we have 2304. So this number is big when compared to this. Hence we have to take more than 45. So hence we have to take more than 45. So 45 more than number is 48, not 42. Hence square root of 2304 is equal to 48. Now take last two digits ending with 9. Which numbers are there? 3 square is 9, 7 square is 49. Ending with 9 means last digit must be 3 or 7. 3 square is 9, 7 square is 49. Remaining two digits are 86. 86 is the nearest square number of 9. 9 square is 81. So first digit must be 9. Now we check for 95 square. Ending with 5 means last two digits are 25. 9 consecutive is 10. 9 tens are 90. Here we get 9025, but in square root we have 8649. So which one is big? So this one is big when compared to this. In square root we have less number, hence we have to take less than 95. So less than 95 is 93, not 97. Now let us take last two digits of this square root. 4 ending with 4. Ending with 4 are last digits must be 2 or 8. 2 square is 4, 8 square is 64. Now remaining two digits are 14. 14 is the nearest square number of 9. Why? Because 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. So 14 lies between 3 and 4. Now always we have to take less number, hence 32 or 38. Check for 35 square. And 5 ending with 5 means 5 square is 25. 3 consecutive is 4. 3 fours are 12. When compared to this one is big. Hence we have to take more than 35. So when compared to this number, this is big. Hence we have to take more than 35. So 38 here, more than 35 is. Last two digits are ending with 4. So ending with 4 means what are the numbers? 2 or 8. Remaining two digits are 38. 38 is the nearest square number of 6. 6 square is 36. Hence we check for 65 square. Ending with 5 means 25. 6 consecutive is 7. 6 sevens are 42. When compared to this one is less. Hence we have to take less than 65. So it is 62. Last two digits are ending with 24. Last two digits are 24. That also ends with 4. Which square numbers are ending with 4? 2 or 8. Remaining three digits are, go for 20 table. 21 square is 441. 22 square is 484. 23 square is 529. 24 square is 576. Here we don't have 576, but it is nearer to 529. Hence we have to take first two digits are 23. Now check for 235 square. Ending with 5 means last two digits are 25. 23 consecutive is 24. 24 threes are 72. 24 twos are 48 plus 5. 48 plus 7, 55. So next digits are 55,225. But in square root we have 53,824 when compared to 55,225. So when compared with this number, this is less. Here 55,000, here we have 53,000. Hence when compared to this one is less. Hence we have to take less than 235. Less than 235 is 232. Now take these. Last two digits are 0, 9. Ending with 9, what are the square numbers? 3 and 7. So last digits must and should 3 or 7. Remaining digits are 640. 3 digits are there. And 640 is also lies in between 21 to 30 table, 30 square table. 25 square is 625. 24 square is 576. 26 square is 676. So 676 is not there, hence we have to take 25. So 255 square is, we have to check for this. Ending with 5 means 25. 25 consecutive is 26. 25 6 are 150. 25 2s are 50 plus 15, 65. So first 3 digits are 650. So this number is 65,025. But in square root we have 64,009. In square root we have 64,009. But 255 is 65,025. So when compared to this number, this is less. Hence we have to take less than 255. Less than 255 is 253. Now take last 2 digits of this square number. Ending with 5. We have only 5 only. So 5. 156 is the nearest square number of 12 square is 144. 13 square is 169. Here 169 is not there, hence we have to take 125. So 12 square. Now check for 125. Ending with 5 is 5. Last 2 digits are 25. 12 consecutive is 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 1s are 13 plus 2 15. So 15625. Verification also completed. Now go for this. Root 16 is 4. Root 16 is 4. But here after 2 digit we have decimal point. If we remove the square root, we get after 1 digit decimal point. Here square root of 0.16 is there. Square root of 0.16. But forget about decimal point. Just simply think that this is square root of 16. Root 16 is, here we have root 16 is equal to 4. But in square root we have after 2 digit decimal. If we remove the square root, then we get after 1 digit. Here 2 digit means here half of the digits. After 1 digit we get the decimal point. Okay friends, I think you can understand this very well. If we have after 4 digit decimal, say let us see here square root of 0.0049. Forget about decimal point. Don't bother about decimal point. Here just you think square root of 49. Square root of 0.0049. You have to think like square root of 49. Square root of 49 is 7. But here after how many digit decimal point is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digit decimal. If we remove the square root, decimal point comes to 2 digits after. So 1, 2, so 0.07. Okay friends, I think you can understand how to find square roots up to finding squares very well. Okay friends, please subscribe TP EduTech. Thank you.